What happens if you are injured while driving for Uber or Lyft? So this is a specialized video, a specialized area limited only to drivers for Uber and Lyft. And because we've had so many inquiries lately about injured drivers, we felt it was appropriate to do a video to enlighten people just exactly how insurance works in Florida if you are an Uber or Lyft driver and you're in an accident. So there are 4 separate periods while you're driving that apply. So period 0 just simply means you're driving around, you don't have the app on, you don't have a passenger in your Uber or Lyft, and you're in an accident. In that scenario, your own auto insurance applies. So that's the easiest one. So that's period 0. The next period is period 1. And in period 1, that means that you're driving around with either the Uber or the Lyft app on, but no one has actually, you're not driving to go pick someone up. You haven't accepted a ride, and you don't have a passenger in the car. You're just simply driving around with the Uber or the Lyft app on. Again, that's called period 1. So if you're in an accident under that scenario, Uber and Lyft pay up to, I think it's a $50,000/100,000 bodily injury plus $25,000 in property damage. So basically they will defend you $50,000/100,000 to anyone you injure if you're at fault, and then $25,000 toward the other party's property damage. However, they will not pay for your injuries. So there is no uninsured motorist coverage if you are injured during period 1, again, meaning you just simply have the apps on. Now the next 2 periods are periods 2 and 3. Period 2 is you have the app on and you've confirmed a ride and you're driving to go pick up that customer. You're on the way. And then period 3 is you've actually picked up the customer and the customer is in your Uber or your Lyft. And so what happens if you're in an accident at that point? So the good news is that Uber and Lyft at that point kicks in the excess coverage. So if, again, you injure someone, they kick in, they provide injury insurance to you up to $1 million worth of bodily injury for Uber, and I believe it's $250 for Lyft. As far as the uninsured motorist, so in other words, someone else injures you, you're not at fault, and another car hits you, you're in an accident, uninsured motorist for Uber kicks in at $1 million, and that's through Progressive. The uninsured motorist for Lyft kicks in $250,000, and that's through Greenwich Insurance Company here in Florida. So, Greenwich is not located in Florida. I'm just saying those are the policies: $1 million for Uber, $250 for Lyft in Florida. So look, if you are an Uber or a Lyft driver, you are definitely at a higher risk. You're driving around most likely at night with people that are impaired from alcohol or other substances. You're at a higher risk of being injured in an accident. So obviously there are more protections if you actually are on your way to pick someone up or you have somebody in your car. You should always notify your own insurance company that you're driving for Uber or Lyft. They find out after the fact that you were doing that, you're probably going to get dropped. They're not going to cover you. So anyway, in any event, if you're out there, please drive safely. And I hope this answers some questions about the insurance policies if you are injured as a driver for either Uber or Lyft.